2015 Ford Escape SE. Bright silver metallic. Aluminum alloy wheels, good tires, tinted windows, dual exhaust, EcoBoost 4-wheel drive, your cargo mat, great on gas mileage, two-tone black gray interior, all weather floor mats, power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver seat adjustments, automatic headlights with fog lights, ice cold AC, CD player, pre-90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio, backup camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth, cruise, just over 57,000 miles. Come on and see us at U-Cars.